coming in. India has retaliated and two Pakistani fighter jets have been shot down. That's the update coming in, that two Pakistani fighter jets have been shot down by India. The provocation has continued from Pakistan. India has retaliated and two Pakistani fighter jets have now been shot down. That's the update coming in, and confirmed that two Pakistani fighter jets have been shot down. We're awaiting more details on the location where it happened. Two fighter jets, we're told. All right, more information coming in that the fighter jets have been shot down in Srinagar. Yavar is joining us with that update. Yavar, have the Pakistani fighter jets been shot down? What are the details?
Well, since the morning we have been witnessing that there's a lot of aerial activity that have been witnessed along the Srinagar borders as well as to the adjoining areas. Now one of the jet is likely have been crashed outskirts of the Srinagar. However, the official confirmation is still awaited into this matter. There has been the massive blasts that were heard in and around the Srinagar since the 5:30 in the morning, and there has been a lot of the aerial activity that have also been observed. Though the aerial defense service have already been activated in and around to the sensitive and hypersensitive locations, but this has been the scene that has been witnessed all across, and we are still waiting for the official confirmation that this jet is a possible crack just outside the Srinagar, and it lies close to the highway connecting Srinagar to the Jammu and rest parts of the country. So this has been the scene all across. In fact, there has also been the massive escalation that have been witnessed in the Rajouri as well. Senior government official has been killed in the Pakistani escalation there. So since the morning there has been a lot of the developments that are taking place from the borders to the cities. There's the J&K with along other parts are under the attack. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So Akash missile systems have taken down Pakistani fighter jets. That's the latest update coming in. A lot more updates continue to come in, and we continue with our coverage as well. Quick break. We'll be right back.